Wasif Sheikh. I'm from Texas, Dallas area in US. I had issue for a balding pattern that I have. I think it was about 4 or 5, and I was looking to get hair transplant treatment. And of course, like everyone else, I did Google, figured out there are 2 main techniques: FUT, FUE. Still, I had a lot of questions, right? And then when I came to India, I talked to my friend who is also a doctor and knew Dr. Arth really well. So he actually referred to me and he said, let's go and do consultation with Dr. Arth. So we came here. Dr. Arth really took a very good amount of time to explain all the options, right? Not just the surgical options, but the other options, and provided his view on, based on my specific case, what would he would recommend, because a lot of time we do our own research and we came and make up our own mind, but it was really good to get clarifications what each treatment means and why exactly should you try FUT versus FUE versus the combination of that. I think that was a really helpful advice, and then eventually we went with FUE treatment that was recommended by Dr. Arth. We made an appointment a day after, and then he was very accommodative to get it done according to my schedule, given that I had a very tight schedule coming from US and I had to go back to US. So on the day of surgery, I came prepared. I knew what exactly is going to happen. I did not eat any or drink anything for the last 4 hours, so that it goes a lot smoothly. We started with local anesthesia in the operating room with a very nice, the operating shirt and pant that I could change in, so that it doesn't impact any of my clothes. The operation theater also was very good. We started with local anesthesia. Once that started, then I could actually do some drinks, and I could actually eat some food. So like I had a small light sandwich so that I don't feel weak. After that, the treatment, when it began, I really did not feel any pain. It was very smooth. Dr. Arth collected a good number of follicles that he was looking for from the donor area. After that, we took 3-4 breaks during the procedure. It took about 6 to 8 hours in total, but I think throughout the procedure I was very comfortable and really good, taken care by Dr. Arth and his team. Also, we took a break and did a light dinner as well, right? So throughout the time, I was not really feeling hungry or thirsty. It was very comfortable. In the end, fortunately, I ended up getting a lot more follicle out of my donor's area. So Dr. Arth was, took additional 1 or 2 hours to make sure none of the follicles are actually wasted, and we actually end up doing much better than originally planned in terms of getting the coverage on the area. So overall, I was really happy. We came back again today to do the follow-up and do the washing of the donor and the other areas. And I think overall my experience was really good. 5 stars. I would recommend anyone who really is looking for custom and really personal advice and expertise on what are your options and what you should do, not just for one treatment, but to make sure you have the right plan going forward after the treatments as well. So in that sense, I would really recommend Dr. Arth. Really highly expert, and I think he is very professional in all his treatments that he do. So good luck with that.